बाणावले पोशिल्ल्या सुण्यांक वासीन दिवपाची आणि नसबंदी करपा खातीर शिबीर आयोजीत करतले। तशेंच बाणावली मतदारसंघाच्या सगळ्या पोशिल्ल्या सुण्यांची नोंदणी करून पंचायतीक दितले। तशेंच तांकां मायक्रो चिप बसयतले अशी माहिती बाणावलेचो आमदार वेन्झी विएगास हाणें दिली। पणजे घेतिल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेंत आमदारान ही माहिती दिल्या।
बीच डॉग स्टेरिलायझेशन ड्राइव आज इनिशिएटीव आमी जुलया म्हयन्याक कॉमेस केल्लो आनी जुलय आनी ऑगस्ट ह्या 2 म्हयन्यांनी आमी मिशन रेबीज आणि WBS हेंक घेऊन आमी एक तयारी केली की जी सुणी बिचाचेर आहाय त्या बिचाचेर त्या सुण्यांक आमी व्हरोन स्टेरिलायज करतले। आज आमचे बरोबर आहा डॉक्टर मुरुगन अप्पू पिल्लई who is the director of education mission rabies, formerly an ITEC expert, High Commission of India, who has been very helpful in this entire process in Benaulim constituency to take the initiative right from July and going ahead now. आणि आमचे बरोबर आहा एड्युकेशन ऑफिसर मिस्टर अक्षय शशिकांत पाल, मिशन रेबीजाचो जो गोंयची इंचार्ज आहा, आणि दे बोथ हॅव बीन व्हेरी हेल्पफुल आणि हेंचे आमी मिशन फॉर साउथ गोवा बीच डॉग स्टेरिलायझेशन ड्राइव हेंचे कॉमेस केल्ले।
Honorable MLA, we have taken up this Benaulim constituency. In addition to the vaccination, we are also going to have microchipping project during this time. So all those dogs which are brought for this vaccination will be microchipped free of cost. So this is the identity, very good identity for these dogs. For example, these microchipping details will be there in the animal for many years, not like the tags or the collars, no, that lasts only for 1 year. But if you do a microchipping for any animal, even for 25 years, you can just keep the identity. Very safe, no side effects. This is at a huge cost, but this will be done to the owners. So the owner details will be there, then the vaccination details will be there. If the dog is a sterilized animal, the sterilization details will be there. Anywhere, in case if the animal is lost, you can scan and find out the dog. Or if there is any dog dispute, no dog bite. Now recently you see lot of cases where the dog bites and they arrest the owner and things like that. For that, the identity is there, so we can find out which dog has gone into this issue. So for all these things, the microchipping will be helping. But we want to introduce this now because it is not all over. It is not done. We are introducing in Benaulim.